Dear students, hope you are fine. In today's video, I want to discuss about some angles that are related to transversal and parallel lines. So let's get started. First of all, I want to draw two parallel lines. And if we define these two parallel lines as AB and CD, you all know that parallel lines means their distance between them in everywhere is same. Now let's talk about what is transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. Now I want to draw a transversal. Now I would like to draw a transversal. If we named it E and F, then EF is a transversal to the parallel lines AB and CD. Here you can see that 8 different angles were produced. If you define that angles, the transversal intersects two parallel lines on point O and M. Here you can see that this transversal through the parallel lines AB and CD produced 8 angles. If you note this, define this that angles by number 1, 2, 3 and 4. On M point the number would be like 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 different angles were produced on O and M point. Now it's time to relate the angles. First of all, alternate angles. And alternate angles are produced opposite side of transversal EF. Here you can see that angle 1, that means angle AOE, angle 1 is equal to angle 7, and angle 2 is equal to the angle 8. This pair of angles which is opposite of the transversal, and angle 2 and angle 8 are also two angles that are opposite of the triangles, opposite of the transversal. That's why we can say this pair of angles are called alternate angle. Now it's time to discuss about corresponding angles. Then what are corresponding angles? If two angles that lie on the same side of the transversal are called corresponding angles. That means if we find out corresponding angles of the transversal EF, then if we talk about angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and they are on the same side of the transversal. On the other hand, if you try to find out another corresponding angles, then define angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to the angle 8. These two pair of angles are called corresponding angles. Now let's talk about vertically opposite angles. If two angles whose sides are opposite rays of the angle are called vertically opposite angle. That means if you think that AOA is an angle, and if you increase EO towards F and AO towards B, then angle 1 and angle 3 would be the vertically opposite angle or opposite angles. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and angle 2 and angle 4 is also vertically opposite angle because of same reason. There, these two pairs of angles are vertically opposite angle. If we focus on angle 4 and angle 6, which are alternate angle and on the opposite side of the transversal, these two angles are also called alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. It's because of these two angles are equal and they are between the parallel lines. If you try to find out another pair of alternate interior angle, then you will have 3 and 5. Angle 3 is equal angle 5. They are also alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. If we try to find out same side interior angle, then focus on angle 4 and angle 5 that are same side interior angle, 4 and 5 that are same side interior angle. They are on the same side of the transversal. This type of angles are called same side interior angles. Same side interior angle. If such angles are sum up, then you will get 180 degrees. That means angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal 180 degrees. Now let's try to find out alternate exterior angle. If we focus on angles 2 and angle 8 that are equal, you can see, and these two angles are outside of the two parallel lines. That's why they are called alternate exterior angle. Now let's try to find out same side exterior angle. If you focus on angle 1 we and angle H, then we can say that this angle 1 and angle H are on the same side of the transversal EF. That's why they are same side exterior angle. Notice that both the angles are outside of the two parallel lines. If you add angle 1 and angle 8, the measures of the angle would be 180 degrees. That means these two angles are supplementary to each other. Thank you all. Thank you everybody.